Hello friends, I pray God for all your wellness. Today I will bring you an idea to paint a spring scenery. I am using only primary colors, all these 5 minutes painting ideas. Here I am using the 8 by 10 canvas sheet. First step, I am applying yellow from center of the canvas board using moist flat brush and adding some white acrylic color for the light shade. Then applying blue acrylic on the top on the canvas board and adding some white acrylic for the light shade here too. Are you beginner? This paintings for you. If you don't know any idea to paint means this painting for you. Just try this. This small scenery painting will bring you to paint vast scenery and help you to improve your skills in paintings. For the bottom of the canvas board, I am using red acrylic to apply. Next, blend the colors together, yellow to blue. After blending the colors together, when able to see here, the first blue color, next light shade of the green, next yellow and orange, red, like this we can see. After finishing the background, I am picking some blue mixed with the yellow color. We can get beautiful green acrylic color. So, this I am going to applying bottom on the canvas board to create a small meadow. One thing here, all the 5 minutes painting ideas, I used to only the primary acrylic colors. This color mixing video is available in our channel. This will useful for beginners. Please, you can check it. How to create multiple colors from the 3 primary colors. Here I am adding some yellow with red acrylic color. We can see here orange. Then blend the colors together. Wherever I need to light shade for the background, I am adding white acrylic. For making fencing and trees, I am adding more blue and some red. Mix well, we can get dark violet color. Now I am creating fencing and trees trunk too. The basic beginner's guide videos are available in our channel. Please check it to your practicing. If you are the beginner, those who are watching this painting, parents who are watching this 5 minutes paintings, please ask your children who are interesting or non-interested in paintings to just ask them to practice it. This will develop their creativity more and improve their skills. When we paint, this will provide a mental rest that lowers stress and generates relaxation and happy feelings to us. Here making flowers, I am using sponge and picking some red to make the base of the flowers effect first. Next using some titanium white to the second layer and the highlight also. Already I uploaded a few videos like this 5 minutes painting ideas only for beginners. These kind of videos are the slow version. All the paintings I am using 8 by 10 canvas sheet, but you can use canvas paper, canvas sheet and canvas board for coloring. How to make handmade canvas at home in low budget. The video is available in our channel. It's very useful for your practicing. Don't waste of money and spoil the new canvas board. Join with me to paint. Let's enjoy the painting. Create your paintings with your own style. Finally, highlight the branches using linear brush to create the branch effect like this. I hope that this painting is useful for beginners practicing. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.